Hey, what's up everyone? It's Kaushik from Valeo Legal Marketing, and today I thought I'd make a video on some of the red flags that you should look for before hiring a marketing agency. I'm doing this because yesterday I was on a call with my dad, and one of his friends has his own business and was looking to hire a SEO agency, but it was red flags all over the place. And I know that a lot of the law firms are looking to move their marketing efforts from offline to online because of COVID, and I thought I'd give you my knowledge on what you should look for. All right, the number one and the biggest red flag that you should look for is when they guarantee your results. There's this famous thing that marketers joke about is when businesses approach us and ask for an ROI on their investment, and in SEO there is none. That's the reality. So if someone ranks you the number one position on Google, that's a serious red flag. Run away. Run away. So to go over a bit more on what these agencies do to guarantee your results. So let's say you're a mergers and acquisitions attorney or a law firm, and they'll give you a list of 4 keywords that you want to rank for, which is totally legit. So it could be corporate M&A, mergers and acquisitions, transactional M&A. So let's take these for example. And they'll give you a long tail keyword that has nothing to do with your business. So let's say you're ABC law firm. So it'll be something like, is ABC law firm good or bad? And that is not how people search for content or stuff they want on Google. And since people don't search often, it's very easy to rank for those keywords. And that is how they guarantee you number one position on Google for certain keywords. All right, number 2 red flag. Is there expertise actually in SEO? So the thing I've realized is that these bigger marketing and SEO agencies, they started off with web design or graphic design, and slowly to increase their revenue, they just expanded into new services. They started providing new services. They're not actually experts in those fields, and the quality of the service may be really shitty. And if they're a big marketing agency, I'm going to be honest, you're just going to be a number in their sales cycle. And oftentimes they'll promise you, oh, you have the support of a big marketing agency, which is complete bullshit. You probably have one guy looking over 60 accounts, and he'll only start doing your work when you start asking questions. So be wary of these big marketing firms that are like, all right, number 3 red flag. Too much data. Trust me, I love data. So I love looking at metrics which I can track and improve to get better results. But these agencies, they focused on these long, boring reports that you have no idea what the fuck they're talking about, and you just wish they would break it down into simpler reports. They shy away from the main metrics to look for, which are keyword positions, organic traffic, and leads generated, which is basically ROI in a way. So be wary when they give you these long reports and they try to stay away from the important metrics. All right, the 4th and the final point is transparency and ownership of work. The problem with a lot of these marketing agencies is that you have no idea what the fuck they're doing. So you don't know if they're actually doing the work, or you're just paying for something that could be done in like an hour. So make sure that they place emphasis on transparency. And to add on, never ever ever give them access to your login credentials to your Google ad accounts. I mean, give them like manager access, but don't give them admin access. Because what they do is, once you stop working with them, they'll blackmail you into paying a fee. Because having access to your Google ad account is very important, because it has all the data that you've collected over its entire period that it's existed. And it's very important for making marketing decisions. So stay sharp, guys. To conclude, do your own research. Make sure that they walk the talk. Go on Google, type out their agency name, and see if they're actually one of the top SEO agencies on Google, if they're ranked on the first page of Google. Look up the people working there, check out their social media profiles, check out the company reviews, look at social proof. That's what I'm getting at. So Make an educated guess, an educated decision before you actually start working with them. Thanks, and hope you found this useful.